Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody took the state of Oklahoma and traced it, but it's got two lines and they want to be able to cut it out. Well, it's got an inside line and outside line. One, you could just cut lines, but it's just going to keep breaking lines. So they're going to not be happy when I show them how easy this is. I'm proud that they're using the yellow box trick. Take a box, a rectangle, doesn't even really have to be a shape. Take the Smart Fill tool. I guess I shouldn't use burnt orange for Oklahoma. And I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to move that out of the way. There's two ways you could do it. You could actually, well, I'm just going to show you the one way because it's so much easier. Now I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to set it on red. And then, so what that did, that made that shape, and I'm going to left click, right click, and now you only have one line. Now for the person that's cutting this out, just a little word of warning, if you're cutting this out, and it's going to be, the rough edges are going to be like a keychain. Let's say you're making it, I don't think you'd make a keychain out of this because one thing would break, but you could always take the smoothing tool and set on like 1/4 inch. Well, bigger than that, let's go 1 inch and just click on it and just smooth it just a little bit. You know, don't change it, but just get away some of those sharp edges. Anyway, and then don't forget to take it and turn it into if you're going to cut it out, make sure it's a hairline. And that'll cut out just fine. And then you could actually make it whatever shape you want. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.